What's up, traders? Welcome to Vinboss Signal Factory. Now, today we are going to analyze what happened last week uh, and what we expected from last week. So, the first pair that we are going to deal with is the euro and the dollar. Now, without wasting further time again, let me tell you how to get these signals, right? You get instant access to our 85% winning rate signals in 4 easy steps, right? You register your account with us, with our broker XNS, under the link that will be provided under the video, and then you fund your account and send proof of registration and a funded account to the admin on Telegram, and then after that you receive full access to our exclusive forex signals with 85% winning rate on all forex pairs, gold, Nasdaq, crude oil, and silver. Bonus again, if you register and fund with us, you get a free online course covering the basics of forex trading and advanced strategies to help you succeed in this forex market. Now, you have to join our community and start joining today. Without wasting further time, let's get straight to our market analysis. Now, this I left these arrows here because they were the points in which from last week I was expecting to see a more of a bearish pressure to the downside more than any other direction. Now, without wasting further time again, I would like to make you realize that since last week, this was the first place to look for a selling opportunity to go down towards this area, and we did not go there as the market shot straight up to hit our liquidity area. And after reaching this liquidity area around here, it was on Monday the first time, and then the second time it was on Tuesday. That's when the signal came in. It came on Telegram. You can go check it out. And then this is the signal from Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. This is take profit from the expected week. Now, this is just what was expected from last week. Now, the pair went as expected. This is euro dollar. Now we are going to the next pair, which is pound and the dollar. Now, the second pair that we are going to look at is the pound and the dollar. Now, from this week, this was last week, and from last week, I was expecting a little bit of here the resistance from this area, the red one that we marked here, but the market just decided to go through with it. And like, since if you know what correlation means uh, a specific currency has the same strength against the majority of other currencies. Meaning, if you pin uh, the dollar against the pound and the euro, you should be prepared to sell uh, the dollar against both currencies or buy the dollar against both currencies. Now, that is correlation. If you don't know any of that, please make sure you register your account with us fund and then send proof of registered account to us to receive this 85% winning rate. Plus, you'll get an access to our free online course covering basics of forex trading and advanced strategies. Now, for you to get further ahead, you have to understand that the same thing that happened on Monday with the euro dollar, it is also happening on Monday with the pound. That means the dollar lost some strength from Monday, and then on Tuesday, the same area in which in the euro dollar we had two double tops. Even in here, we have two double tops, except the fact that if you look here, this was the second place for me to go and look for um, bearish patterns and formations to the downside. Now, without wasting further time, this the second option worked out better than this first option, even on euro and the dollar. So, without wasting further time, This was the signal on Tuesday. You go and check it on Telegram, and then after checking it on Telegram, you will tell us if you want to register. Let me make something very important uh, be understood to you. If you're not ready to change your broker, you will only receive four signals, meaning four signals from different pairs. Like the euro dollar will be free for all brokers. The pound dollar will be free for all brokers. The euro and the yen will be free for all brokers, and the pound and the yen will be free for all brokers. But to get access to exclusive and all currency pairs, gold, Nasdaq, crude oil, and silver, you need to register with XNS and start receiving unlimited access. Now, this is the free signals that I'm analyzing that will be analyzed on YouTube. So without wasting further time, again, let's continue over to the what is going to happen next. Now, what's going to happen next, as is clearly was the signal from me. Everything went as expected to the downside, took our profit, even extended the wave with two more waves. Now, with these two waves, if you were on the course, if you had the course, you knew that this was a continuation, even based on the fact that you would understand what correlation is. So this is the signal number two, what was expected from last week and how the market has unfolded this week. Now, this is to show you that we are not playing here. This is to show you that we are winning. Someone could have made a lot of money just with one signal that they took from us from last week. We are not playing here. We are making money consistently. We are giving accurate signals consistently. For you to get a sell from that position down to this area right here, that means you have made enough money in the market. Now, without wasting further time, let's go over to our euro and the Japanese yen pair. And the third pair that we are going to do back testing on from the previous week to show you the results of last week is that last week this in the Japanese yen was weaker going into last week. So as you know, guys know, I was expecting uh maybe some bullish pressure to the upside from Friday, but as you remember, I was not in on Friday. So when I woke up on Monday, this was the opportunity, and the signal was also given in the free Telegram channel that we are using for signals, and this was the take profit one because I was remember I also talked about I also talked about correlation. Correlation simply means if the euro is weak, it is weak across majority of the currencies. Either it will be weak against other majors or other commodity pairs. Now, if you are still not familiar with the terms, please make sure you register. Fund your account, text us on WhatsApp, DM the admin on WhatsApp. The Telegram link will be left under this video. And then make sure that before anything else, you get this quality. This is the highest quality of knowledge. Now, with that being said, that left us making 1:5 from this point down here up here, and then we will start. Just remember, Monday we had a double top on the euro dollar, and Tuesday the signal came in. Now, even on the pound dollar, we had a double top, and then Tuesday the signal came in. Now, this is Monday, this is Tuesday, right? This is Monday, this is Tuesday, and this is probably where our double top has probably started, and this is where the signal came in from because across all currency pairs, the euro started losing its strength on Tuesday. It was on German CPI, if I'm not mistaken. It was on German CPI, which came softer than it was expected. So without even saying, yes, I am going to wait for my signal to go from this point here to this one here. This would mean that I am smart enough to take what is enough 1 is to 5 here, and then let the rest like 1 is to 15 go down here. This simply means that you would have made 20 times the amount you would have risked in this week only if you traded only euro and Japanese yen. I'm not talking about the ones that we have already discussed, which is the euro and the dollar and the pound and the dollar. I'm only talking about the euro and the Japanese yen in it of itself. Like you would have made 20 times the amount you are risking per trade, only trading one pair. Now, if this is the kind of powerful signals that we are giving, why are you not registering and funding your account and making sure that you are part of this movement? Because a lot of you are struggling, but you are so unlucky in finding uh, paid signals that don't work or finding mentors that are still learning themselves. So don't be shy. Make sure you register your account. After funding your account, you come straight to us and get these fantastic signals. Now, let's go over to the last pair, which is the pound and the Japanese yen. Now, with the pound and the yen, this is our backup. Remember, with the pound and the yen, even though this euro and the yen, I was a little bit bullish to the upside, but with the pound and the yen, I realized that this was a two-wave movement to the downside, meaning that this would only result in another bearish pressure. So trading four pairs, those are four pairs. It is the pound and the Japanese yen and the pound and the dollar. So if I'm selling the pound against the dollar, I'm going to sell the pound against the Japanese yen because of correlation. If I'm selling the euro against the dollar, I'm going to sell the euro against the Japanese yen based on correlation. Do you understand that? I hope I'm teaching you some, even if I'm just giving you the results of last week. So, without wasting further time, again, guys, this would have been maybe, let's see how much it would have been. This would have been enough also, but I did not trade this. Oh, we did get the signals to the upside. We made for 1 is to 5 here. I don't know why I removed it. We made 1 is to 5 from Monday to the top. But after all that being said, Tuesday, the very same thing happened, double top and a continuation to the downside. Now, Forex doesn't need many technicals, doesn't need robots, doesn't need anything. It just needs you to get the right information and know how to apply it and know how to apply trading psychology because it's the biggest part of this business if you are going to survive. Now, without wasting further time, make sure that you are part of this. Make sure you are part of the movement. We are going to leave our partners link below this video. You register. After you register, you fund your account. You send proof that you've registered and founded your account right to the Telegram admin, which is me, Vinboss, and then I will start adding you to the VIP group, which will consist of unlimited access to our Forex signals with an 85% win rate on all Forex pairs, gold, Nasdaq, crude oil, and silver. And don't remember, we also have a bonus after you've gotten all those signals. You get a free online course that covers the basics of forex trading and advanced strategies to help you succeed in this forex business. Now, without wasting further time, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned so that you can learn more and see more of how Vinboss is trading. The future of forex is coming to South Africa and I'm starting now. So goodbye.